government's stimulus package announced last year has proved to be inadequate in helping economic revival, a parliamentary standing committee on industry said in a report tabled in the Rajya Sabha. The panel said the government should come out with a larger package to help the economy, including small businesses, recover from the pandemic-induced stress. The committee observed that the stimulus package announced by the government for the economic revival from the pandemic-hit economy has been found to be inadequate, as the measures adopted were more of loan offering and long-term measures instead of improving the cash flow to generate demand as immediate relief, the panel said. The panel recommended that the government should immediately prepare a large economic package aimed at bolstering demand, investments, exports and employment generation to help economy, including micro, small and medium enterprises, to recover from the pandemic fallout. To mitigate the stress caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, the government announced a Rs 3 lakh crore emergency credit line guarantee scheme for MSMEs. This was part of the Rs 20 lakh crore stimulus package announced last year. The amount to be guaranteed was increased to Rs 4.5 lakh crore last month. This scheme provides 100% guarantees to bank, non-banking financial institutes and lending institutions to enable them to advance loans to businesses that have suffered due to the pandemic and are struggling to meet working capital requirements. MSMEs had a 1-year moratorium period and a 4-year repayment period, which some said was not enough. I have never appreciated the ECLGS because the scheme offers loans to businesses which are already struggling due to COVID-19, a senior functionary of a New Delhi-based MSME association said, asking not to be identified. Plus, it offers only a 1-year moratorium. No businesses, in my knowledge, start making profit in just 1 year. Then how could an MSME be expected to repay it? How can MSMEs that are unable to repay their loans today be expected to repay more after a few years? The scheme would have been good if it was considered from a long-term perspective, but right now MSMEs need working capital to resume functioning and it does not offer that, the person said. However, loans of Rs 2.73 lakh crore, which account for over 60% of Rs 4.5 lakh crore scheme, were sanctioned as of July 2 and an amount of Rs 2.14 lakh crore has been disbursed. Loan guarantees have been issued to about 10.9 million small businesses, MSME Minister Narayan Rain informed the Rajya Sabha during the ongoing monsoon session of the Parliament. The committee noted that as the first wave receded, the second wave of the pandemic had even more vigorously ripped the economy.